Ever wondered if you could swipe your crypto directly at the grocery store? Or maybe pay for a coffee using your digital assets? Well, today, we're diving deep into Coinbase and finding out if they've got a game-changing bank card up their sleeve. Coinbase has been a pioneer in the crypto space, offering a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing digital assets. But as the crypto world evolves, so do the demands of its users. A bank card that directly taps into your crypto holdings would be a massive convenience, right? Let's explore the benefits of such a card. Imagine being able to use your crypto for everyday purchases without the need to convert it to fiat currency. It's like having a digital wallet that's always at your fingertips. The Coinbase Bank Card, a reality check. Now, the big question, does Coinbase actually have a bank card? Well, as of now, they don't. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. Coinbase has been actively exploring partnerships and innovations to expand its services. It's entirely possible that they might introduce a bank card in the future. They've been known to surprise us with their moves. Potential partnerships and future developments. One potential avenue for Coinbase to offer a bank card is through partnerships with traditional financial institutions. These partnerships could enable Coinbase to leverage the existing infrastructure of banks while providing their customers with the benefits of crypto. Another possibility is for Coinbase to develop its own bank card. This would give them complete control over the product and allow them to tailor it specifically to the needs of their crypto-savvy users. Alternatives to a Coinbase bank card. While Coinbase might not have a bank card yet, there are other options available. Many crypto exchanges and wallets offer debit cards that can be linked to your crypto holdings. These cards allow you to convert your crypto to fiat currency at the point of sale. It's important to research and compare these options to find the one that best suits your needs. Consider factors such as fees, supported cryptocurrencies, and the ease of use. The future of crypto payments. The concept of using crypto for everyday payments is gaining traction. As more businesses accept crypto, the demand for convenient payment methods will increase. A Coinbase bank card, or a similar product from another provider, could play a significant role in making crypto payments a mainstream reality. So, to answer the question, does Coinbase have a bank card? Not at the moment. However, the possibility of them introducing one in the future is very real. As the crypto industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative payment solutions emerge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more crypto updates.